we're traveling through Mississippi at 7:30 and we're passing through Union County. We're on our way to Auburn to camp with some of Jeff's cousins this weekend. See y'all later.
Have at it, Becky.
Don't get my camera shot now.
Just stay in the way, man. That'd be great for it.
Go viral. Sure.
This is how you don't do a YouTube video. Coming off my booty.
Internet will love it.
That'll have good views.
Do you remember which poles are which?
Not a bit.
You know, look at the back.
Here. Why don't you do that? I'll put it in the This is how you set up tents. You watch her do the work.
Ooh, that's spider that.
This is so you can back the car up to it and then get in the back of your car. Oh, Mike, check for that. Mike. Yeah. You're good.
Oh, are they filming?
So we got this bigger blow up mat that we haven't used yet. So using it for the first time this trip. It does have a foot pump that you can step on, but we brought our little portable rechargeable blow up device. So we're gonna try that out, see how long it takes, if it has enough battery to fill the whole thing. But we're excited. It comes part of like with a built-in pillow, which is nice, and we'll just see how comfy it is tonight.
It's like our small one that we have. We have two mini ones for single use. So we're hoping it's about the same.
Yeah, the single ones do seem to be a little thinner, but they snap together in the middle so we can combine them and it makes it a full one. But I think this would still be a bit wider than those. Let's skip ahead. All right. I feel like that inflated pretty well. I can't feel any pine cones underneath us. got these small camping chairs mainly for our kayak trips, so we can take something to sit on that doesn't take up a lot of space, but they come in handy. Come on, y'all, let me show you our camp setup for tonight. So we got our cousin's tents here. It is just a pop-up tent, really fancy. They just threw it open and it popped up upside down, but easy to fix. Then we got our tent over here. You saw us set that up earlier. Got a tarp underneath it to kind of keep the dew and everything away from the bottom of the tent. Try to keep it cleaner. We got our light string lights strung up to our kitchen setup, and then over to our fog tent as well. Don't know if you can see that very well, but then over here we do have our toilet set up. We got a green light strung around it so you can see it at night. But I know it's kind of dark over there. So we did end up just eating dinner with the family. We didn't do any kind of camping meal, but tomorrow morning we'll be making egg and bacon burritos. So stay tuned for that.
That's the little kitchen over there.
Yep, over there. So checking out for now. Have a
Say
good night.
hi. Hello. See y'all tomorrow.
Good morning. It is time for breakfast. So Jeff is setting up our kitchen. We're using this nifty little table and plates. A whole lot. We decided to bring everything in our backpack this time that we needed for the kitchen because we weren't sure if we would be having to walk into a campsite. Usually we use like a tote or a crate, but it did pretty much everything besides that single stove. Always helpful to have the stove turned off before you plug in the cooking. So we plan on using the small one to boil some water for coffee and the big one to cook our baked eggs on. Just gonna set up Jeff's coffee rocket. We've been using this for a while. Just put your coffee in the basket, hook it on. Kind of like a drip method.
We're walking in the woods, just taking a trail, and we found this old home site. You can see the old building bricks of stone. It looks like it's made of stone. Kind of scattered out. I look at this chimney still standing. I wish I knew how old it is, but I can tell that it's old. You can see it looks like it was a double-sided chimney, kind of goes straight through. Maybe they had a room on this side and a room on the other side. But the cornerstones of the building still kind of standing. Pretty cool. Thank you to our cousins for helping put everything back up, packing everything away. They did great. Thank y'all.